Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty. I'm Maksudur Rahman Masum. So today I'm going to show you how you can capture good photos on your mobile phone. Today I will discuss 5 things about mobile photography. Uh, Number 1 is clean your lens. If your lens is dirty, you will not get good photo and smoother photo. Just simply use a tissue or some cloth and then rub it and then click. It draws attention to you instead of what's around you. And number 3 is grid line. Grid line means the rules of thirds. Use them to keep your subject face in the middle of the upper third of your image. Number 5 is editing. Editing is most popular and interesting and most important because it gives you a second chance to get it right and it helps you tell your story. So, here is the final result.